The top 10 foods that destroy your health. Everyday foods that we consume without a second thought can actually pose hidden dangers to our health. In this video, we'll explore some of the common, seemingly innocuous foods that can have detrimental effects on our bodies when consumed in excess. Many of the processed, packaged foods lining grocery store shelves contain a host of artificial additives, preservatives, and refined ingredients that offer little to no nutritional value. These empty calories can contribute to weight gain, inflammation, and a range of chronic health issues over time. Additionally, some naturally occurring compounds in certain fruits, vegetables, and other fresh foods may become toxic in large amounts. Understanding which everyday foods contain these potentially harmful substances is key to making informed, healthy choices. By shining a light on the hidden dangers lurking in our daily diets, this section aims to empower viewers to be more discerning consumers. With the right knowledge, we can all make wiser decisions to safeguard our long-term well-being. When it comes to our health, the foods we consume play a crucial role. One category that has come under intense scrutiny is processed meats. Bacon, sausage, and deli meats, though often enjoyed, have been linked to an increased risk of certain types of cancer. The primary concern with processed meats is the presence of preservatives, such as sodium nitrite, which are used to enhance color, flavor, and shelf life. These additives have been found to interact with compounds in the body, potentially leading to the formation of carcinogenic substances. Studies have consistently shown a correlation between the consumption of processed meats and an elevated risk of colorectal cancer. The International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC, has classified processed meats as carcinogenic to humans, placing them in the same category as tobacco smoke and asbestos. While the occasional indulgence in these foods may not pose a significant threat, the real danger lies in the overconsumption of processed meats. Experts recommend limiting their intake and opting for healthier, whole food alternatives whenever possible to minimize the risk of cancer and other health complications. When it comes to our health, few things are as detrimental as the overconsumption of added sugars. These refined carbohydrates, often found in processed foods and sweetened beverages, can wreak havoc on our bodies, leading to a range of serious health issues. The dangers of added sugars are well documented. High fructose corn syrup and other forms of added sugar have been linked to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. These empty calories provide no nutritional value and can quickly lead to a dangerous addiction, as sugar triggers the release of dopamine in the brain's reward centers. Cutting back on added sugars is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. By reading nutrition labels, avoiding processed foods, and opting for whole, natural sources of sweetness, we can take control of our sugar intake and protect ourselves from the harmful effects of this ubiquitous ingredient. It's time to break free from the sweet poison and prioritize our long-term health. When it comes to weight gain, refined carbohydrates are among the biggest culprits. Foods like white bread, pasta, and pastries are stripped of their fiber and nutrients during processing, leaving behind empty calories that can quickly pack on the pounds. Refined carbs are rapidly absorbed by the body, spiking blood sugar and insulin levels. This can lead to increased hunger, cravings, and the storage of excess calories as fat. Studies have consistently linked the consumption of refined carbs to weight gain and a higher risk of obesity. Beyond expanding waistlines, refined carbs have also been associated with a host of other health issues. They've been shown to increase the risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. For optimal health and weight management, it's best to limit refined carbohydrates and instead focus on getting carbs from whole, fiber-rich sources. Trans fats, also known as hydrogenated oils, have long been recognized as a major contributor to the development of cardiovascular disease. These artificial fats, created through an industrial process that adds hydrogen to liquid vegetable oils, have been shown to raise LDL, bad, cholesterol levels while simultaneously lowering HDL, good, cholesterol. The consumption of trans fats has been directly linked to an increased risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other heart-related complications. In fact, studies have indicated that for every 2% increase in trans fat intake, the risk of coronary heart disease rises by as much as 23%. Fortunately, many food manufacturers have taken steps to reduce or eliminate trans fats from their products in recent years. However, they can still be found in a variety of processed foods, from baked goods to fried snacks. It's important for consumers to carefully read nutrition labels and avoid products that contain partially hydrogenated oils, the primary source of trans fats. By limiting our intake of trans fats and focusing on healthier fats, we can take an important step in protecting our cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of potentially life-threatening conditions. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose have long been marketed as a healthier alternative to sugar. However, growing research suggests these sugar substitutes may be doing more harm than good. Studies have linked artificial sweeteners to a range of metabolic issues, including disruption of gut bacteria, increased sugar cravings, and even weight gain. The artificial nature of these sweeteners appears to confuse the body's natural metabolic processes. Diet sodas and other zero-calorie products containing artificial sweeteners may seem like a smart swap, but the evidence indicates they can have unintended consequences for long-term health. Consumers would be wise to be cautious of these ubiquitous additives and opt for natural, low-sugar alternatives whenever possible. Eating healthy doesn't have to mean depriving yourself of your favorite foods. By making a few simple substitutions, you can enjoy all the flavors you love while nourishing your body with wholesome, nutritious ingredients. Here are the top 5 healthy alternatives to swap out those dangerous processed foods. Trade white bread for whole grain. Opt for hearty, fiber-rich options like whole wheat, oats, or sprouted bread to boost your intake of complex carbs, vitamins, and minerals. Replace sugary cereals with oatmeal. Start your day with a bowl of steel-cut or old-fashioned oats, which provide sustained energy from complex carbs and filling fiber. Swap out potato chips for veggie chips or popcorn. Satisfy your craving for crunch with baked vegetable chips or air-popped popcorn, minus the greasy, sodium-packed potato chips. Choose dark chocolate over milk chocolate. Indulge your sweet tooth with antioxidant-rich dark chocolate, which contains less sugar and more beneficial compounds than traditional milk chocolate. Trade soda for sparkling water. Ditch the sugary, artificial sodas in favor of refreshing sparkling water infused with natural fruit flavors for a healthier bubbly treat. By making these simple swaps, you can enjoy all the flavors you love while nourishing your body with wholesome, nutrient-dense whole foods. In this article, we've explored 10 foods that can be detrimental to your health and well-being. From processed meats and refined carbs to artificial sweeteners and trans fats, these items can wreak havoc on your body if consumed in excess. The key takeaway is to be a conscious and informed consumer. Read nutrition labels, opt for whole, minimally processed foods, and limit your intake of the toxic 10. By taking control of what you put into your body, you can improve your overall health and vitality. Remember, your health is in your hands. Make the choice today to nourish your body with nutritious, life-giving foods. Your future self will thank you.